In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a watch list in Chartink. Now to do this, first you want to go to your dashboard and you want to click on dashboard up top, and then from here you can either go and click on watch list over here, or if you are inside dashboard, click on watch list up here. From here, to create a new watch list, you simply want to click on create a new watch list over here. You can give it a name, select the color and the description as well. So I'm just going to name this one tutorial right now. You can pick a color from here by clicking on it, and then you can also go and add descriptions if you want to as well. I'm going to leave it blank right now, and I'm going to click on create. Whenever you do this, as you can see, you now have a new watch list over here, which is of course the name of it. And then here you can see the total stocks on there. You can make it default if you wanna. And then of course you can add and view stocks, modify it or delete it. Now modifying is gonna allow you to change its name, the color and description, while over here if you do add/view stocks, you can then go and select a file to upload stocks, or you could just go and search for them over here. So if I go and do something random, I'm gonna click on a few stocks. You can just click on them and they're going to be added over here onto your list. Okay, you can also go and copy it. You can customize columns, put the CSV, Excel, etc. So that's how to create watch lists in Chartink. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.